In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your sway bar links on your Mazda 3. They're located in the rear. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to remove our lug nuts to remove our wheel. Make sure you have a good hand on the top there, so the wheel doesn't fall off on you. Using a 17mm socket, we're going to take off this nut. This will probably start spinning, so then we'll get our 5mm Allen wrench out and hold that still. Now it's spinning. I like to undo it a little bit with my air gun first. Now I'm going to use my 17mm ratchet wrench on the nut and hold it with my 5mm Allen wrench. Ours is a little rusty, so we're going to tap it in there. I'm going to hold it still since I don't have a socket with an Allen wrench. Set that aside. Using a 17mm ratchet wrench, I'm going to loosen up this nut, take it off. Once it starts spinning, I'm going to get my Allen wrench again. Again, if you have an Allen wrench socket, it'll probably be a little easier. I'm also holding my Allen wrench with another wrench. Our stud is spinning and my Allen wrench, it's so rusty that I can't keep my Allen wrench steady, so I'm going to knock out this bottom part and grab onto it with some vice grips. So now I can get my vice grips up there and hold it still. We had to heat ours up due to all the rust, and I'm holding it with a vice grip. I'm holding it with locking pliers underneath after I got rid of that boot. All right. Now that we have that nut off, we can take our sway bar link out. All right, let's take this out. Using a pry bar. So you're going to feed. I would angle this up a little bit. You're going to feed it through this bar. And then once you get it in there, you're going to line it up on top. Make sure it's lined up. I'm going to start our nut here. You may have to give your sway bar link a little on the bar, give it a little whack, and that'll help bring that stud up. And then you can get your nut started on the top. All right, I'm holding my stud with an Allen wrench, same size. And the new nuts are 15mm. I'll be torquing that after we're done doing the top. I'm going to torque these to 30 foot-pounds. You've got to hold your stud still as you do that. I'm using a crow's foot and my Allen wrench. We're going to install our wheel. I like to walk my wheel on, starting with the bottom lug nut. And then tighten them in a star-like pattern. We're going to torque our wheel to 85 foot-pounds in a star-like pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.